good vacation out of it.
That's right.
So what do you see there? Anything besides craters?
You see Fenway? I gotta find out.
If you look at the medium-sized Mare, or the smooth areas, they used to call the lunar seas. I think the one on the upper edge is Sea of Tranquility.
The White Sox?
That's at the size of the state of Oregon.
The upper edge.
Yeah, where it's halfway in and half out of the light. The big circular smooth area. I believe it's a sea. I should get a road map out. But when people ask, why can't I see the footprints? Or can I see the flag? And so they don't see that, and they're disbelieving. They don't realize we're looking at something.
Oh, yeah.
It's about the diameter of the United States up there, but it's 250,000 miles away. It's just as the moon. So the smallest objects you can see on the surface are about the size of a football field. You can't see something as small as a flag. The footprints is big. The Hubble could probably do it, but they don't point it out there to show that. So the lunar mapping.
Are you an amateur?
Oh, I am of sorts. I'm retired. I taught at the university years ago as an adjunct professor.
There you go. Yeah, the good access.
It's across the nation. And overseas in the Fiji Islands.
Different out here.
A few trips.
In a good way.
My second wife is from Fiji, and I took 3 trips to go over there and some astronomy teaching. I was doing the sun watch. So
and those are just lots of asteroid strikes? Is what all that is?
well, they're believed to be asteroids or large meteors. It's hard to say. Probably millions of years ago.
You guys have a good night. Thanks for letting me look through your telescope.
That just happened to look that way.
They are very
hopefully
impacts,
we'll
of
go
course.
a
I
little
don't know if it's
bit.
tracked off. Is it?
We did it
the tracking
once.
wasn't still
Yeah,
there.
we could do it
Was it
again.
focused? I was going to say.
There's always hope.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
It wasn't focused, so maybe it's because I took my glasses off. I wanted to make sure you saw it sharp. Because if it's not sharp, you don't see a lot of detail.
I did too.
I might have.
Absolutely. I think it's the.
Oh, sure. I accidentally hit the programming notes going off somewhere. Isn't technology wonderful? It's just,
Wow.
it's, I don't know, I think I accidentally hit it for Neptune, so. So Neptune's out here somewhere right now.
I need you to program that for elk.
Yeah.
Right here in the Willamette Valley, I got a 6-month tag.
So
right
we'll
here
go
in the
back
valley,
to,
it's 2% public.
I'd love to glance at Saturn.
so we're going to look at Saturn's rings here real quick. I'm not sure if this is still going. I tried to take a couple of shots here. I think we're still, does it seem to know where it's going there? Yeah, Saturn's actually right here. So
You just put in the coordinates. Isn't that
well,
awesome? Isn't that crazy?
it's close, but it's not actually, it wasn't preset for the program yet, so it's a little off. It's pretty close.
That's why I need a spotting scope to plug in 5x5 L.
No, that's the St. John's Bridge.
Okay, this is about the way that Galileo first saw it. So you can see that about 50 power here. He did not even see it this good. He saw it half this size, and he wrote in his log that this plant seems to have ears, is what he wrote. They have little blobs of light. But I'm gonna see if I can.
Oh my gosh.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah, it looks like it looks fake.
Really? Fake?
Well, I mean, just the fact that
Oh.
you
It
know,
looks like what you see in the books all the time. Yeah.
like in the books.
Let's just do this then. So that's a little tiny. That's only a 50 power, so let's make it 150 so you can see a little bit bigger now.
Isn't that cool?
So we'll move it. It's just a little right of center, but it's about 3 times the size now and dimmer. I'm going to try to take a shot here if I could line up the camera real quick. You see a little better now? A little bit bigger?
Yes.
So what do you think? Still looks fake?
It's fascinating. It's absolutely fascinating. Wow. It looks like a little cartoon.
I know. It's like, wait a minute, that's what I see in all the books.
Yeah.
And to see it with your own eye now.
Wow,
It's just,
that does look fake. Like a little cutout in a black
Yep.
piece of paper.
Yep.
I was checking the lens, see if he pasted something on the lens.
Right. I think there's a little Saturn sticker on the lens.